I've basically been living in YouTube's crypto mining hole recently, and last night alone I probably watched around 90 videos. Everything from total newcomer explanations to supposedly advanced pro techniques about generating Bitcoin without actually purchasing mining hardware. And what's really bothering is this trend that just won't stop. I'm seeing probably like 86% of all videos actively pushing straight up scam, fake earnings proofs, operations with clearly manufactured user comments, apps that conveniently demand account unlock fees right when you attempt withdrawing funds. I'm going through all this content thinking, man, these YouTubers are deliberately scamming people. I honestly became really skeptical about whether legitimate cloud mining apps even exist anymore, because the whole industry appears dominated by fraudulent operations. But yeah, I actually found Arkmine approximately 2 months back, and look, it remains the singular platform I genuinely trust and recommend.
Okay, so let me demonstrate this so you observe the complete workflow. So first thing, clicking Start Mining. Here I'm choosing BTC right now, though the platform actually processes mining for essentially all major cryptocurrencies: Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Tron, XRP, the whole range of top coins. But I'm going with Bitcoin for this demo. Okay, clicking Continue now. Perfect. So at this stage, I've got to enter my wallet address. Just opening my wallet app, grabbing address, switching back here, and dropping it into this field. Good. Next, I'm configuring hash rate, power, and mining speed. In straightforward terms, these settings determine how much computational capacity gets assigned to operation and the processing velocity. But catch this, it directly affects what you'll pay. So if I increase these parameters, I'll mine cryptocurrency quicker, but the service fees rise accordingly. So next, I'm setting the target amount. This displays how much crypto I'm aiming to mine and the projected duration. Okay, so now I'm initiating the mining process. Awesome, we're live. All the data is visible here: total time, power being utilized, and efficiency percentages. So let's give this a moment.
And there it is, nice. I've successfully mined this quantity of Bitcoin and it's ready to withdraw to my wallet. But a critical detail here, the platform needs the infrastructure fee settled before they'll process any withdrawal. It's all itemized right here. So here's the energy consumption, here are the computing clusters that ran the operation, plus the network transaction costs. And yeah, essential to remember, the baseline infrastructure fee for accessing their resources is always $30 minimum. So definitely account for that. So I'm copying this payment address, give me a sec. Good, now back to Arkmine. Clicking I've sent the payment and just waiting for the system to verify everything. So while the transaction's processing and I'm waiting for the tokens to hit my wallet, let me explain why I think Arkmine is the only genuinely trustworthy option available. First major factor, it operates with complete transparency about realistic outcomes.
Most scam platforms just hook victims with fantasy promises, like guaranteed 400% returns in 10 days. Arkmine doesn't do that nonsense. It provides honest mining calculators reflecting actual network difficulty. It's completely upfront about all fees, and it doesn't make absurd claims. When a platform sets modest, honest expectations, that's actually a huge green flag showing they're running a real business, not a trap. Second key factor, withdrawal consistency over time. This is the absolute ultimate test for legitimacy. I've personally withdrawn 17 times across these 2 months, and every single withdrawal processed successfully. Average wait time was like few minutes for blockchain confirmations. That's just how Bitcoin works, not app delay.
Third factor, it doesn't employ manipulative tactics. Predatory platforms constantly pressure you to reinvest everything, recruit friends for bonuses, upgrade to premium tiers, lock funds in exclusive programs. But this app doesn't pull any of that psychological manipulation. You run a contract, it completes, you withdraw whenever you want. That's it. Zero pressure keeping your tokens trapped. My advice, stay realistic about what cloud mining is. It's not passive income magic. It's a Bitcoin accumulation tool. Some months profit nicely, other months barely break even depending on Bitcoin's price and mining difficulty. That's normal. Evaluate over 6 to 12 month periods, not daily. Long-term consistency beats obsessing over every contract. Keep learning about Bitcoin fundamentals, market cycles, mining economics. The more informed you stay, the better decisions you'll make about when to mine, when to hold, when to take profits.